Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the outer tie rod on 2012 Honda Civic. Okay, let's get it started, guys. You see you need to remove the caliper out, okay? This is a very simple job, but let me try to find a good place to put the flashlight on it. Okay, I need my tool to remove the caliper. Okay, just remove the caliper out. Okay, and it's a very simple job and fast job too. So the wheels out, and we use this one is the number 24, okay, to remove the lock nut for the tie rods. Number 24. And next is 1 second. And next we remove the outer tie rod nut in here, okay? It's number 19 millimeter. It's number 19. What the heck, that hard, huh? Let me use a bigger impact gun. So after it's out, it's time to remove tie rods. The tie rod, we use a tool in here, okay? This is for the ball joint or outer tie rod remove tool. This one you can buy it everywhere, okay? And auto part, it's cheaper price. What? You serious that hard? Nah, hell no. Let me use a bigger hammer. Bang it. Okay. It doesn't want to go, so I use the other tool. Just one tie rod weighs me like I'm gonna do this tool. Matt. Đó, có không? Hỏi lán này kia đi xem. Okay. Oh my man, this job is a very easy job, but it killed me. Take me so much time to bang it. Okay, so I'm looking for the new one. Where the new one go? Oh, here you go, down there. The new one up there. Okay, so once again, we're gonna count it how many rounds, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 round. And put it back, 10 round. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 10 round. But you know, like we can count it how many rounds, it doesn't matter. you have to do a real alignment done here. You have to bring it to the alignment place and get the alignment done on it. Bingo. Get in, put the carapan back in, make sure it's safety first. Everything you work on the car have to be think about safety and clean. Okay, and next part is tightening the nuts. Tightening the nut. Go that way is a little bit easier. Okay, and should be all set. Quick job, quick job. So it's how to change the on the tie rod for the Honda Civic. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Any question, let me know. Thank you.